It's the highlight of All-Stars Saturday night, the Sprite Slam Dunk Contest. DeMar DeRozan, Shannon Brown, Gerald Wallace, and of course, the two-time champion Nate Robinson, all in the mix. We start, of course, in the first round. This is DeRozan between the legs. Reverse jam. He gets a 42. Tough judges for DeMar DeRozan later in the first round. Everybody wanted to see what Shannon Brown would do, taking off from a long way away, switches hands, and goes to the lefty, but just 37. The judges not impressed at all. Gerald Wallace, he's taking it old school, just a powerhouse reverse double pump jam. Gerald Wallace gets a 38. That's just one better than Shannon Brown. Spike Lee not impressed so far, but his guy is up now. That is Nate Robinson. The bounce alley-oop pass to himself. Little windmill action and a slap of the backboard. Nate Robinson, the best scorer of the first round dunkers. 44 on their first dunk. Kobe Bryant getting involved with Shannon Brown. That doesn't get the crowd off their feet. Kobe Bryant with the pass up to Shannon Brown. It goes lefty again. Shannon Brown's first two dunks, lefty. He flies high, gets a little chest bump from Kobe. 41, so he improved a little bit. Now Gerald Wallace with help from Flip Murray goes around and behind the backboard, throws that one down. 40 for Gerald Wallace. Nothing spectacular yet, but here comes DeMar DeRozan with help from Sonny Weems off the side of the backboard. Check it out one more time. Side of the backboard, then brings it down, windmill, and throws it down. He gets a 50, a perfect score for DeMar DeRozan. That's what we're talking about, DeMar. Good stuff there. Now Nate Robinson, after the judges flash in the tens, has to follow this DeRozan attempt that lit the crowd on fire. Nate Robinson getting some help from his teammate as well. This is Danilo Gallinari with the alley-oop pass, and Nate catches it, turns around, and throws it down. Nate Robinson, just 5'9", and maybe being generous with that measurement, can fly with the greatest of ease. Goes up and gets it, turns, and stuck it home. He gets a 45, so DeMar DeRozan gets the only perfect score in the first round. We're in the finals now. It's Nate Robinson and DeRozan. Robinson going first. Just a powerhouse alley-oop bounce to himself. And remember, the finals judged by text voting and voting on NBA.com. DeMar DeRozan follows that up with a jump over Sonny Weems and jam off the backboard. Alley-oop style. DeMar DeRozan, huge air on that one. So Nate Robinson and DeMar DeRozan have each dunked once. Now Nate Robinson trying to finish this thing off in style, and maybe the dunk of the night off the backboard. Reverse jam. Just look at Nate Robinson's air there. His head up by the rim. Nate Robinson then pulls a TO, grabs the pom-poms from the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders and starts leading the crowd. DeRozan trying to follow up with a dunk from long range, but not long enough. We go to the judges, we go to the fan votes, and Nate Robinson, the first ever 3-time Sprite Slam Dunk champion.